Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and configure Android location privacy controls, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download and configure Android location privacy controls, start by unlocking your Android device. Locate the Google Play Store icon on your home screen or app. Tap on the Google Play Store icon to open the application. In the search bar at the top, type Google Maps and press the search icon. Once the results appear, find Google Maps and tap on it. If Google Maps is not already installed, tap the Install button. Wait for the installation to complete, then tap Open. Once Google Maps is open, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, look for Personal Content and tap on it. Scroll down to Location Settings. In this section, choose Use Location. You will see options for various location settings. Select Device Only if you want GPS only for location services. Alternatively, choose Battery Saving for a mix of Wi-Fi and mobile networks. Tap on Location History to manage how your location data is stored. Here, you can toggle the feature on or off as desired. To further enhance your privacy, return to the main settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Privacy. Urban here, select Location to access more granular location settings. Review the list of apps that have location access. You can customize permissions for each app based on your preferences. Adjust permission settings to allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Your Android location privacy controls are now configured as per your needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.